Hello everybody. Today we do the exercises English to Pali. First sentence, they go to the minister. Mahamatang gachanti. Mahamatang, the minister, they go gachanti. So they go to the minister. Mahamatang gachanti. The men see the ministers. Purisa Mahamate Passanti. Purisa, the men, Mahamate, the ministers, Passanti, they see. Purisa Mahamate Passanti. The God who is not a human being, or who is a non-human being, we can also say, approaches the thus gone. Devo, the God, who is a non-human being, Amanuso, the thus gone, ṭīkā, approaches upasamkamati. So Devo Amanuso ṭīkā upasamkamati. By the way, when you have verbs of motion like go or approach, then they are intransitive by nature, so they are akkamaka. However, their goal of the motion, which is the first sentence the minister, and in the second sentence the aṭṭhakathā, it still goes into the accusative case. The goal of the motion goes into the accusative case for verbs of motion. However, they are intransitive, as opposed to passanti, which is transitive. Hence, the direct object, the accusative object, is mahamate in the accusative plural. You ask the philosopher about the doctrine. So the philosopher, samanang dhammang pucchasi. So you ask pucchasi, the philosopher, samanang, the doctrine, dhammang. But the full sentence would be samanang dhammang pucchasi. Here pucchasi takes two objects because it is detransitive or be-transitive, or in Pali ṭīkā. Therefore, the first object is philosopher, samanam. The second is dhammang, the doctrine. We ask the philosopher who is well gone. Samanam sukatang uchama. Same as the structures, similar as before. It's not similar as before. Although we have a deep transitive verb, it only has one object, which is the philosopher, but it is attributed with sukatam, meaning the well gone. So it's more specific, but it refers to one person. Hence, you only have one object in this sentence. As before, Devo Amanuso, so the God who is a non-human being or who is not a human being, is only one being. It's not two. Therefore, in this sentence, you only have one subject. It's just a complement, a subject complement, so to speak, one attribute. In this case, it would be an object complement or an attribute to the object. Next, the thus gone gives up negligence. Tathagato pamadam tachahati. So Tathagato is the subject, negligence, pamadam, this is what he gives up, and pachahati is the transitive verb, the sakkamaka. Therefore, Tathagato pamadam pachahati. The lay disciple enters the village. The lay disciples. Upasaka Gavam Avisanti. Pasaka, the lay disciples, the village, Kamam, Pavisanti. The ascetics meditate. Samana, Jayanti. The substance remains. Kayo, Tittati. He reaches the top. Akkam, Pusati. We ask the philosopher the meaning. Again, it has two objects, philosopher as well as meaning, the verb ask, I mean. Samanam attam puchama. And he gives alms. Pindam dadati or pindam deti, because either this root da can have the reduplicated form dadati or the contracted form deti. Therefore, pindam dadati atava pindam deti. Punadasanaya tava paveya subam mangalam.